Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to send visits to billing and generate customer invoices for payment. Knowing how to bill or invoice your customers for services rendered is a cornerstone for running your business and ensuring revenue is accounted for. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu and select Billing. Within the billing page, set the desired filter parameters and then click Retrieve to generate a list of visits ready for invoicing. The retrieved visits are those that have been marked as completed and are ready to be invoiced to the customer. To dive deeper into the details of any of the visits listed and make any necessary edits, click on the corresponding Visit Summary button on the right-hand side of the screen. Utilize the toggle buttons on the left side of the screen to select or unselect from the visit list as needed. Once satisfied with the selection, click Send to Billing. A preview of the invoices will be generated for final confirmation. For QuickBooks Online users, click Send to QuickBooks Online in the bottom right corner of the preview window. For QuickBooks Desktop users, open the integration tool and choose to export invoices and then click Start. Ready to give it a go? Follow these steps the next time you need to send out customer invoices.